Hey guys! Welcome back! I'm so excited na makita ka ulit here on my video. So in this video, ang pag-uusapan natin is why 98% of people ay mga nagpipil sa kanilang business. You're doing affiliate marketing, network marketing, selling physical, digital products, information products. Goal ko sa video na to is mabigyan ka ng right tools, right strategy, right system na magagamit mo para makawala dito sa 98% na to. So ang nangyayari dito sa 98%, so 2% lang ang talagang nagiging successful at nagkakaroon ng resulta. And most of the time, ang nagiging problem, maybe ang nagiging problem niyan is yung 98% na activity na nagpo-produce ng 2% result. So ang gagawin natin is you need to have a system in place and you need to transition na yung 2% main activity that will produce you a results, a massive sales sa business mo. By the way, kung hindi mo pa ako kilala, I'm Gregorio and I've been doing affiliate marketing, selling digital products, selling physical products for almost 5 years. And 21 years old ako nung pumasok ako sa different type of traditional business. I've been in network marketing 2012. And right now, ginagawa ko yung business ko is totally 100% online kasama yung pamilya ko. And dati rin akong OFW sa Middle East. I know na mahalaga yung time mo, kaya my goal on this training is maintindihan mo, makuha mo yung strategy na gusto kong ibigay sa iyo. So our goal is focus on this 2% that will give you a 98% results. Okay? So yun yung gagawin natin. If you want to build a successful online business, internet business, you need a strategy, you need a system in place. Hindi pwede yung mag-o-open ka lang ng business at hahayaan mo na lang at yung magiging tanging pag-asa mo para makabenta is hope na lang. So para makapag-build ka ng successful na internet business is you need a right system and strategy. So ang nangyayari, most of the marketers, internet marketers, business owners na merong business online, ang ginagawa nila is they have a product, right? So number one, you need a product. Diba? And this is a results. Yan, this is a results. So product, importante yan. Kung meron kang business, it's either a product or services. Para magkaroon ka ng negosyo, para matawag ka na legal, you need a product. And most of the marketers, online marketers, ang ginagawa nila is, on this product is nagpapapunta sila ng traffic, right, directly to the product. So traffic, it's a form of social media traffic, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, or any type of traffic papunta dun sa product. So once napunta dun sa product, ang akala nila is automatically may results na. Sometimes makakakuha ka ng results pero hindi ganun kabilis at hindi ganun kalaki yung results na makukuha mo if you are using this method. Traffic papunta dun sa product and aasa ka na magkakaroon ka na ng resulta at aasa ka na magiging successful ka na if you are using this exact strategy. So ang nawawala dito, so what missing is a system in place. Alright? So you need a system in place para makuha mo yung results na gusto mo. Our goal is to have a strategy and ang pinaka magiging goal mo is hindi na to. Ang goal mo is traffic papunta dito sa system and the system will sell itself to have a results. So magkakaroon ka talaga ng results hindi dahil dun sa product, may product ka or meron ka man traffic. You will get a results, magkakaroon ka ng resulta, magiging successful ka sa online business mo, internet business mo, if you have a right system in place. System papunta doon sa resulta na gusto mong makuha. And by the way, I'm conducting a private group coaching this February. On my coaching, ituturo ko dun sa'yo on how to launch your successful digital business. So if you do affiliate marketing, network marketing, online business, kahit nasa industry ka pa, I believe this coaching program will helps you to model, to create this strategy. Doon sa training na gagawin ko, personally ako magtuturo sa'yo, merong different stages yung coaching na yon. And take note at disclaimer, hindi para sa lahat yung coaching na to. Hindi lahat ay makakapasok dito. Para lang to sa mga taong seryoso, para sa mga taong gustong maging successful sa kanilang online business. What we do on this coaching program is I create a step-by-step process from different stages. Stage number 1 is planning stages. Parang sa pagpapatayo ng bahay, di ba? Kailangan mo muna dyan ng blueprint, kailangan mo muna dyan ng plano. Hindi ka makakapagsimula ng successful online business mo, internet business mo, kung wala kang exact blueprint or yung tamang plano. So, sa first stages ko siya ituturo. Second stages naman, ituturo ko doon is on building stage. So, dahil meron ka ng plano, meron ka ng right blueprint na gagamitin, kailangan simulan mo na siya. Kailangan magplano na tayo. Kailangan yung plano na ginawa natin, gawin na natin siya. And after building stage, I will show you the implementation. Dahil ginawa mo na siya, sinisimulan na natin siya. Ano yung ginawa natin, i-implement na natin siya sa business mo. I will help you to create a system. Exactly kung ano yung gusto kong ibigay sa'yo on my coaching program. And the fourth stages na ituturo ko sa'yo sa coaching program ko is growing stages. So dahil meron ka ng system, I will show you kung paano mag-grow yung business mo. I will help you to grow your online business. And the last stages na gusto kong ibigay sa'yo is all about scaling. So para maging successful ka sa business mo, you need to scale your results. And my goal on this coaching program is to help you scale your business to the next level. I've been doing this business for almost 5 years. I made multiple millions on doing this business. My mission is to help you succeed online. So if you're excited, meron akong ilalagay na link sa ibaba or may makikita ka na button. I-click mo lang, pupunta dun sa page or meron ka din dyan makikita na application button to sign up on my coaching program. Take note, hindi ito para sa lahat. Para lang to sa mga seryosong entrepreneurs like you na gustong magkaroon ng change dahil hirap ka na, dahil pagod ka na sa paghahanap ng solusyon paano ako magiging successful online. So I'm excited na makita ka here on my coaching program. And take note, limited lang ang slot ng coaching program but limited lang ang makakapasok dito. So kaya naman, take action today and I will see you on our coaching program.